Welcome friends, this is Kshitij here, your coach for your wealth. Yes friends, welcome to my workshop to change your subconscious mind for wealth. Yes friends, you have seen that a lot of people in their life, they don't take that much efforts, but they have a lot of money, a lot of wealth. And sometimes like you and me, do a lot of efforts, but money don't come to us. I hope everyone has seen this sort of things in your life. Yes or no? Yes, your answer is yes. I know that. See, there are a lot of opportunity in market. You are not able to take that opportunity, but one of your friend, other person which is like you, he is able to take that opportunity. Yes or no? How it happens? You have lot of ability in you. Not you, everyone. Everyone has an ability to earn money, to earn a lot of wealth. But why? You're not able to connect with that ability. Yes, friends. In this entire workshop, I will help you how to attract money, and how to get that opportunity towards you and change your life. This entire course will be your life-changing course. What I want from you, yes, friends, dedicatedly watch this video on daily basis. Each day there will be content about around 15 to 30 minutes. Watch that and practice on daily basis. Once you watch first video, then only move to second. Don't skip any single video. If you want to success, don't skip any video. Follow the process which I have designed. Yes, friends. If you want results in your life, there should be three things. First, guess what is first? Awareness, what you want. First, awareness, what you want. Second, permission, permission from yourself for what you want. And third is, any guesses? Guess. Any guesses? Ability, ability to do something. Yes, friends. Awareness, permission, and ability. These three things are required for your results. So, what are these three things? We're going to see in the upcoming session, step by step. Okay, thank you.